Guys, we're doing another video. Today we're playing Summer Snow Resort thingamajig, and sure, we're playing this. I'm leaving for summer camp, so my sister is gonna take over for one video while I'm off at summer camp, and who knows what she's gonna do. Let's just
maybe I'm gonna play Royal High. You never know.
Oh, please no! My channel is not gonna be one of
Ruin your
those.
channel.
You're gonna ruin my life if you ruin my channel.
Girly.
Wait, what?
What?
There's just a bobsled that's going on its own.
Oh, this is such a fun bobsled. It's an awesome ride. Oh, I got another snowflake.
You got a snowflake?
Yeah, I got 2 snowflakes. I got a purple snowflake. Now I got 105 snowflakes.
I only have 10. Wait, you have 105?
Yes.
Oh, this is majestic.
I haven't even played this game.
I only have 10. This is majestic.
Wait, you do? Oh my gosh.
Wait, you were lying?
No.
I only have 10.
I have 105.
Purple snowflake!
Yeah, you got a lot. That's a lot of money.
I missed it.
Dude, that gives you a lot of money.
Yeah, my bobsled had to turn away from it.
It gives you like 50.
Yeah, I know.
It's your fault. Just saying.
I'm gonna have to write it again.
You're like, I'm so mad. Triggered face.
Rainbow. I'm going so fast.
I want to run. Ooh, I see a snowflake.
Whoa! I think you could do something else besides this. Like if you go far. My thing is upside down. I got launched off. My thing was hijacked. Like seriously.
Oh, I found a purple snowflake. How much money does it give you?
Jeez. Oh, so we're not out or not next place.
The purple snowflake just gave me 100.
Oh yeah, the blue one gives you 10. Don't take it.
I'm gonna take it.
I need it more than you. Mine. Anyways, let's raid this thing.
Ooh, yay. What if you had to buy it?
Oh, then I'm depressed.
What if it's 225? That's how much money I have. How do I get on?
Okay, we're at our next destination.
Ooh,
for our next party ride. Snowmobiling.
Buy for 500. I don't have that much. I want that one. I want it.
Lydia, please let me have it. Really?
There's another one over
Yeah, it was 20. I got it.
You did?
Yeah.
No, I got it.
No, I got it. I just got 20.
No, ooh, there's a white snowflake. I want that one.
Oh, that one just gives you 5. It's lame.
How do you know?
Because I've gotten one before.
You have?
Yes. So what's the next activity? After Bobby sled.
Wait, let me ask. I'm gonna go take it and see how much it is. Yeah. Wait. What? Yeah, it's only 5.
Oh, what's this? Hot Springs.
I'm coming. Don't know. I'm coming.
So what's the next area?
I have no exact clue. Oh, there's a hot spring. I want to go to the hot spring. I'm in the hot. Oh, it's
snowboarding.
Wait, I want to go on. Don't go without me. I hate you. You're going on without me, aren't you? Are you going on? You're going on without me.
There's a free snowboard.
Where?
I think you're supposed to go to the top of the mountain, snowboard down.
Where is it? I can't find it. I want to say. Where is it? Oh my gosh!
I'm trying to get on the site with my snowboard because I want my snow. I'll just get this mountain.
Oh, it's
So I'm
far.
back at the top of the mountain.
Ha, now I got it.
Purple! Ah, that's a blue. That's a purple.
I found a purple.
Awesome.
I can't get it because I'm walking weird. Got it.
Do you know how to run?
It's not letting me use it. Why?
Well, I'm gonna snowboard without you.
No, dude, I don't know how to work this. Help
Lol.
it.
Woo!
Help it.
Snowboarding. Woo!
Oh my gosh. Look at my screen. This is how I'm snowboarding.
Woo!
Do I legit have to restart? I'm resetting.
Yeah.
I hate you.
Mine always works. Jumps, yo!
I'm at the bobsled's place.
Cool.
Ugh.
Woo! 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 Awesome! Except you don't really do much.
I'm gonna go down on a ramp. I'm gonna go off a ramp. Ready?
Woo!
Oh!
Oh!
No.
Flips! Dumb flips do! And into an icy cave. Alright. And yes, I don't
I
fall.
went off
Woo!
the ramp. I'm going down the hill.
I'm in an icy cave.
I'm going down a hill.
Woo!
Woo! Jump!
Woo!
I don't even know where you are.
I'm in an icy cave.
I'm in a cave, just a cave.
Woo! And I'm out of the cave. Woo! Awesome. Done. I'm gonna do a sick jump. Yeah! That was lame. Woo! There's a better snowboarding game for this, but yeah. I'm sure like that bobsledding was impressive, but like what's else in this? Like besides bobsledding? I think it's nothing. Let's use teleport. So you have the slides, top station, campfire, apartment, forest, bottom station, ice maze,
Well, go through the ice
or
maze.
sand wall.
He said if you can always find your way, go through the ice maze. Where is it? Christopher, where are you? Where is it?
I'm in the ice. Just teleport to the ice maze.
How?
Teleport.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Ice
my god.
I'm in the ice maze.
Good luck.
How do I get rid of it? Wait, pause, stop.
I'm talking to this guy. Welcome to the ice maze.
I'm coming. Okay, where are you? There you
Some
are.
rare snowflakes and special prize.
What? No.
Awesome.
Wait, how do I talk to
They
him?
said they have good snowflakes.
Okay, welcome to the ice maze.
Awesome.
Which way should I take? What? Left is a good choice. What?
Left. I'm going left.
Wait, pause!
Now what? I think I'm gonna continue left.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm going this way.
Let's go.
Should we take separate paths? You go that way, I go this way.
I'm going this way.
I'm going this way.
Ooh. This way. Perfect.
I'm going this way. I got a snowflake. Ooh, that was good snowflake.
Man, stole it. I'm just waiting until
That's a real, it's a glowing one. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's just a white one.
It's just a white one.
I leave you the white one.
You're stealing all my snowflakes.
Because you're following me.
There it is. The gray one.
I just had that one.
The snowflakes are regenning.
Oh my gosh, I'm at dead end. This is hard.
There's one. There. Awesome! It's glowing.
It says right track. I'm on the right track.
I don't know where I am. Oh, I got a dead end.
Mine said I'm on the right track. Oh, someone coming back from where they were.
Maybe you went the wrong way. Dead end. This is hard. Yes, snowflake. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna get a snowflake no matter what. Ah!
This is hard.
Hello? I'm stuck in a rock. Oh, great. Now I have to restart.
I did that many times.
I'm gonna do the sand wall.
Oh, I'm with this dude.
The sand wall. Glowing snowflake. Did you make it?
No. This is so hard.
This guy.
Oh, I just did a loop-de-loop. Oh my gosh. Can you teleport to me?
Sand wall! I gotta climb the sand wall because he said it's an awesome prize at the top. I climb this.
I'm good at climbing.
Oh no, this is hard. Come on.
I don't think I can do this. This is hard.
This sand wall.
This is so hard. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
This is hard. Don't fall. Oh, come on. So high up. I feel like I deserve something.
I'm in the same place I was before.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't fall. Whatever I do, just don't fall.
You know what? I give up.
I just fell. I fell.
I'm going to the sand wall.
Oh, trust me. This is hard. No! Gotta climb up here. No! Come on!
This is hard.
It's already been 12 minutes. Oh my god, I almost fell off. No.
How high are you?
You could just... Jeez. Oh! Yes!
What? Are you at the top?
I'm getting close.
I'm not even close.
Jeez. Oh, no!
Fall?
Jeez. Oh! Just gonna end this video ending in rage. But woo!
This is too hard for me.
I'm still gonna never give up. No.
I'm going to the forest.
I think it's like a forest maze or something.
I want to do a forest maze.
Oh my god. Oh, it's a snowflake.
Oh, where'd you get at the top? What's at the top?
Snowflake, I'm getting really close. I don't even know if I fall. My god.
I'm so bad at this.
If I flip and fall. I made it!
What's at the top?
A really rare snowflake.
How much money did it give you?
Finish the... it's gave me like 150 or something.
Yeah, actually, I don't want to do it just for 150.
Oh, there's a... Oh my god.
What?
You can legit cheat this thing.
How? How?
By going on the side. I legit got this high by just cheating.
I'm going outside.
You could seriously just cheat. I'm a troll. What up, Lydia? Well, that's gonna have to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and yeah. Woo. finally got it. Hope you guys enjoyed.